Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to be copying Isbelle. As you can see here, we've got rid of mOth. Now at the time of adding mOth on the previous video, I did actually say this was a sort of gut feeling, and looking at what he was trading at the time, I think it was like 1 or 2 weeks ago, it seemed right to add him, and I had a good feeling about it. And at the time it was. He was trading VXX, which is a countermeasure for the mini crash, and just a lot of other things like what he was explaining on his posts, just reassuring everyone that he knows what he's doing. He's got the countermeasures in place, and on the virtual portfolio, he was still in the green. He was way up there compared to a lot of the other people that I've handpicked. So I thought it was a good idea to choose mOth at the time, and it was for about a week. He instantly went to 3% profit, and he stayed there for a week. But at that time, he added a lot of funds, which sort of went over my head. He also stopped trading the VXX, maybe like 3 days shorter than he should have done in hindsight. So he actually started going down into the reds for me. But most importantly, it's the fact that he's out of sync. Originally, I put $200 on him when you could put $200 on him. And then I needed to put another $200 on because he invested funds. And then I needed to put another $100 on him. So that went up to $500. And I've been looking at his progress versus my progress, both on my real account and my portfolio account versus what he's doing. And it was starting to come out of sync. I was still minus 2% on my real account, whereas he was positive 2% on his account. And something just seemed a bit off. So I checked, and he actually needs $1,000, not $500, and I just don't have that kind of money. So as much as I love mOth and what he's doing, and that we will definitely come back to him because he's one of my top guys, because of eToro's $500 minimum right now, we have to take some measures. So I'm going to be copying Isbelle. Let's have a look at Isbelle's stats. So he's up 2%. There's no reds here, which is really good. 17% for the year so far. Previous year is 289, with only a little 2% red. So it seems like he knows what he's doing based on historical data. I've been watching him for a long time on the virtual account, and he's usually way up there. It doesn't seem to be a huge amount of risk. He's not, obviously there's a lot of risk, but it doesn't seem like it's just swinging wildly up and wildly down. It seems like he knows what he's doing. Okay, so we're going to copy with 500 open trades and go. And now is a good time to be doing it whilst the market is just about to go up. So let's start fresh with Isbelle. 500. And with Isbelle, we can copy all the open trades, which is really good. I have manually checked in each trade, each parent trade, opened it, looked at all the child trades, and we can copy everything with 500. So he's on top of it, which is really good. Let's remind ourselves of the Isbelle stats from the deep dive that I did on him a while back. So social informative, 3, stats is a 9, portfolio quantity is an 8, risk management is a 9, drawdown 7, affordability 8, synchronization 7. So let's take a look at those now and see just what's going on. See if he's improved or changed. Affordability, because eToro has added 500 being the minimum, he's actually gone up to a 10 out of 10 because you can copy him with 500. So yeah, he's more or less the same on, give or take 1. He's more or less the same as he was before, which is good. He's consistent. So yeah, fantastic. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully the market will start to pick up now. And yeah, hoping for good things. Welcome aboard, Isbelle. And thanks everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Cheers.